Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix GIFs animation not working in Google Messages. Solution 1. Go to your phone setting. Now scroll down and go to Apps. Click on Apps. Now search Google Message app. Go to Google Message app. Now scroll down, go to storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from Google Message app. Now go back and follow the second solution. Open Google Play Store. Search Google Message app. Now click on Uninstall. Now uninstall all update to this Android system app. Now go back and follow the third solution. Open Google Message app. Click on Google Message profile. Now scroll down. Click on Help and Feedback. Now tap on Send Feedback. Allow one-time access. Now in the Send Feedback box, write down, "Hi Google Support Team, GIFs animation not working in Google Messages. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send your feedback to the Google Support Team.